iPhone XR, certainly one of the most selling iPhones out there in the world. Recently, Apple launched the iPhone 11, which is a direct successor to the iPhone XR. The difference between the iPhone 11 and the iPhone XR is very minimum. iPhone 11 has one additional wide-angle camera, it has a bigger battery life and a generation ahead processor. But the iPhone XR does not lack anywhere, and the best part about the iPhone XR is the price tag. The iPhone XR is available in India for around 40,000 Indian rupees on an average price tag, and the iPhone 11 starts at 60,000 rupees. So guys, in today's video, if you're planning to buy the iPhone XR, I'm going to be telling you the best deals out there. Okay, if you are living in India or in any other part of the world, in today's video I'm going to be telling you all of the best price tags out there. And guys, today's video is going to be very interesting, so if you like to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem and smartphone world, then please consider subscribing to our channel. And without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, if you are living in any part of the world, then the best website to buy a brand new iPhone XR will be eBay. And if you want to buy a used iPhone XR, still eBay is the website to go for. On eBay, a brand new iPhone XR is available for around 37,000 Indian rupees, which is equivalent for somewhere around $400. So guys, from the price tag of $399 to $500, you will get a great iPhone XR online. In Apple's official stores in United States or any other part, the iPhone XR is listed for $599. So you're getting a kind of $100 to $150 discount if you will buy from eBay. There are many sellers on eBay, and guys, if you are planning to buy a brand new iPhone XR, then you will have no scam or you will not face any issues. But if you are planning to buy a used iPhone XR out of eBay, then you have to be very careful. There are so many fake Korean copies or just third-party iPhones or the refurbished iPhones. Those are having lots of problems. So first of all, whenever you search on eBay, make sure that you search like this, like iPhone XR used unlocked. Make sure that the iPhone you're buying is not iCloud locked or password locked. Okay guys, the password lock can be removed, but the iCloud locked iPhone cannot be removed. And most of the times, the iCloud locked iPhones are sold for very less pricing. Okay, even for 18,000 Indian rupees or like $100 to $200, the iPhone XR is available. But make sure you don't get scammed out of it, because it is a iCloud locked iPhone and we cannot bypass it. So guys, whenever you're buying a used iPhone from eBay, make sure that the iPhone is not iCloud locked and passcode locked. And guys, it's all up to you that in which condition you want to buy the iPhone XR. The only drawback from eBay is the delivery charges. If you're living in India, the price tag or the delivery charges like go to 1,000 and 2,000 and 3,000 rupees, which add up to the cost of the iPhone. So if you are particularly living in India, then go on the Sell Buddy website. Sell Buddy is a local shop in Mumbai, and they do the business of selling used and brand new iPhones. The iPhone XR is available at their shop for 37,000 Indian rupees, and on few selective festival offers, you get the iPhone XR for like 30,000 to 32,000 Indian rupees. So guys, make sure that if you are living in India, try and go on the Sell Buddy's official website. The link will be given in the description box. And again, this video is not sponsored by eBay or Sell Buddy. So guys, if you are particularly living in India, then go to your Apple's nearest reseller, because they have lots of offers going on. You can use a selective credit card or a debit card for the transaction and get lots of cashback. And the second factor, like go to the nearest local smartphone store near you. You visit kind of 4 to 5 stores, and you will find eventually a store which sell used iPhones. Okay, like near my house only there is a smartphone shop which sell used iPhones, and there I have seen the iPhone XR for like 35 to 40,000 Indian rupees depending on the condition of it. So guys, make sure you give the first offline visit, and if you're not getting a good deal offline, then you can go on eBay or on Sell Buddy. So guys, I hope that you have liked today's video, and guys, there is a request, and that is please consider subscribing to our channel, as it really motivates me a lot to bring you like this beautiful content. So I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then,